Do you feel like you're running on a treadmill at work and not getting the recognition you deserve? What happens if you stay in this position for the rest of your career? Are you at risk of being ignored or passed over for the next leadership position? How do you fast track on your boss's radar to be considered for the next promotion? Here's what you have to do. Become the problem solver and not a problem maker. First of all, don't come to your boss with constant problems. Give your boss an array of documented options and possible solutions. Choose your preferred option and state your reasoning behind your selection. Learn from the discussion with your boss, even if your solution is not selected. Go from executing orders to having a peer-to-peer conversation with your boss. Become your boss's problem solver. The next step is know your boss's aspirations and challenges. Find solutions to your boss's challenges. Be prepared before every meeting. Evaluate after every conversation. What value did you bring to the conversation? With time, you will become your boss's go-to person. If you want to know more about how to become the obvious leadership choice in your organization, see if you qualify for the complimentary strategy session and visit excellentexecutivecoaching.com.